If your gas cooker or hob doesn't turn on or ignite, there are a few things to check before arranging a service. Firstly, check that the burner heads and caps are in the correct place and are sitting flush. If the head or cap is uneven or off-centre, the hob will take longer to ignite and flames will be inconsistent. You should also check that the burner crown holes and spark plug is dry and free from clogs or obstructions. Regular cleaning will keep them in good working order, but be sure to never put the pan supports, burner caps or other gas hob accessories in the dishwasher. When cleaning, always follow the guidance in your user manual. If the flame extinguishes immediately after ignition, try again but keep the knob pushed in for around 10 seconds. This will allow the thermocouple to properly heat up and should solve the problem. On some gas cookers, the gas will take around 10 seconds to come through, and this is not a cause for concern, but make sure that the cooker is activated and that the clock is set. Most cookers will fail to operate without this. If required, your user manual can be downloaded from the AEG website by entering your appliance's PNC number. You'll find the PNC number located on the rating plate here. If it still fails to heat up, it's likely there is an issue with the electrical supply, fuse or gas supply. If you suspect something to be wrong with the gas supply, stop using your appliance and turn off the gas at the meter. Or if you suspect a gas leak, call your local gas emergency reporting helpline. If you'd like to arrange a repair or service, or you need any further help and advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.